Yo, welcome back to another video. We're gonna be doing a drive POV, just a little short one here. You got manual mode here, Sport Plus. N55, man. F chassis, handles great. Now keep y'all in mind, this thing's not even tuned. Like, this is stock turbo. There's literally everything in the engine is stock. This only has a downpipe and a new exhaust on it, so that's why you hear the pops and bangs on it, which is kind of insane that there's no tune on it, but it already has like insane pops and bangs. Now, see, one thing in my videos, I'm never gonna be reckless. Reckless driving is really dumb. Like, I just don't fuck with that, so. Oh, another Beamer behind me. Not an M Sport, but I mean, y'all gotta admit, for like an N55, again, Jesus Christ, fully stock, it's pretty nice. This road, man, it's so busy, like you can't go anywhere. One thing about living in northern Colorado, man, when you're 25 minutes away from your house already and you hit the biggest road in northern Colorado, US 34, it ain't pretty. I just realized this camera's probably been touching like everything, so I'm sorry if the angle's been bad. I'm sitting low, my head keeps hitting the top. This guy wants to race. Oh my God, DPC. Why are you trying to be an F30? I'm just kidding. Those are my, every time I'm in Sport Plus with my brakes, so I have steel brakes, but I have carbon ceramic brake pads. And those two, when they're wet or just getting warmed up, they always squeak. This Beamer's trying to catch up to me in the back. Dude, one thing about this place is insane is that with everything like being so open, your speed limit, like dead ass, I'm not like, I know it says, I don't even know if you can say that. I'm really not even speeding, which is crazy to me. Cause like, obviously it feels like I am, but I'm not. Oh, just trying to catch up. a 320ai. All right. You know what? I'm lucky that I got what I got. No judgment. I've actually seen some people convert a 320ai. I love dual and quad exhaust tips. I just love them. But like, I don't want to remanufacture everything. And if you guys have been watching this channel for a little bit, I wanted to actually transform my 535xi into an M5 GT3 replica, and that was only going to cost me about $8,000, which honestly is not even bad. But the amount of refabrication that would have taken that I don't have experience for would have been awful. But thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you're new. More POVs coming, just in a different area.